I woke up to the sound of waves. And a sea view that felt like a dream. I sprayed my favorite floral body mist. Instant happiness unlocked. Barefoot, I walked into the sea. The sand was cool and soft. Bubbles floated like tiny dreams. The ocean whispered, and I listened. So I stayed a little longer, watching the waves come and go. This was my kind of morning. Flowers, sea, and peace. It felt like the ocean was breathing too. The wind touched my skin like a soft halo. Even without words, I felt understood, like the sea knew everything and still said nothing. I wrote my name on the sand, WONNY. Okay, I wasn't alone, but it felt like I was. In that silence, I smiled.